There's a bug with Microsoft Outlook not being able to receive new email after it comes out of sleep mode unless you restart Outlook. So I'm going to show you how to fix that fairly quickly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the search box and type in services.msc. And you're going to see the Services app at the top. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up this new box. And the reason that we're having the problem is because this background intelligence service is conflicting with Google services. So if you have Google Chrome installed, you should see under the letter G, Google Update Services, and there's two of them here. So what we want to do is we want to double click on each of these services and change them from automatic or automatic delayed to disabled. And click OK. And they should show up as disabled as you see here. Once that's done, we close, and you can try sending a new email and seeing if it shows up without having to restart, or restart Outlook one more time. It's up to you. I'm now going to press send from another mailbox and see if we get email without having to restart Outlook. And there's our email. So just by disabling that conflicting service, we can go ahead and fix the problem. Now, does this cause any issues? Well, it could cause a problem with the fact that you're not going to get updates to Google Chrome. And so you may want to occasionally go ahead and enable it, let Google do an update, or you can just go and manually go to google.com and run an update. And then you will be able to get those updates for security purposes, and you'll still be able to get your Outlook to work properly. But always make sure ultimately that those two services are disabled when you're done updating. So that's how you fix inbound email without having to restart in Microsoft Outlook.